This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening voice memos and scanning the main list. This is where most recordings live. Once done, check that iCloud Sync is enabled so recordings from other devices appear. Make sure to use the search field at the top and sort by newest or longest to surface what you need quickly. If you see a clip, tap it to reveal details like date and duration. That context helps you confirm it's the right file before moving on to sharing or exporting. Next, search the Files app for common audio extensions like M4A or the name you used. iOS sometimes stores exported memos there. Once done, use Spotlight by swiping down on the home screen and typing a keyword or contact name associated with the recording. Spotlight indexes app content and can find hidden files. Make sure to check third-party apps such as WhatsApp, Zoom, or Messages where you might have sent or saved the audio, because exports often live inside those app folders. To finish, recover any accidentally deleted recording from Voice Memo's recently deleted folder and restore it. Once restored or found, export by tapping Share and choose Files, Mail, or AirDrop so you have a permanent copy. Make sure to back it up to iCloud Drive. If the file is still missing, check iCloud. Com for synced items, update iOS to the latest version, and restart your iPhone. These steps resolve indexing or sync glitches most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.